Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO S17 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with ensuring that you've got the internet connection. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, and then let's enter the Play Store. If you do not have your Google account currently added to the device, you will have to do it right now, so either sign up or log in. If you're not sure how to do it, simply check our tutorial of how to add the Google account to the device. And then let's enter the circle, which is your account, and tap on My Apps and Games. And something happened. Let's do it again. Manage apps and device. All right. Then let's tap on Manage. And as you can see, this is the list of all currently installed apps. All we have to do is to tap on Updates Available, and and here we've got the apps which we can update. So it's up to you, of course. If you want to, you can mark all of them. If not, just find the app you'd like to update and tap on it to mark it. So let me pick maybe those 3 and then tap on the update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, right now your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically applied. So the app will be updated. All you have to do is to wait patiently, because everything will be made automatically. You don't have to wait here. You can just turn it off and do whatever you want. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.